Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will tell you how to add a social share icons in your WordPress with the help of Elementor in just 2 steps for free. So let's start. Create a section first in which place you want to add. For example, you want to add a social icon in the end or in a front. So create a section. Okay, so then in search widget search social and you will see social icon, social share. We want social share, just drag here and you will see social icon is created here. Replace it or place it according to your choice. Okay, and if you want to add, you can add. Okay, for example, you want to add here Instagram, just click on add, click on icons and click on Instagram. Okay, how much you want to add, you can add. You can also change their color. For example, you want to give them any color, you can, you just have to click on Facebook in on that social icon. Okay, in colors, choose a color, select color. Okay, and if you want to give them any background, you can give them. Okay, see, the Facebook have now a background. Okay, see, okay, you can also change their places, anything according to you by going in styles. You can also give them style. You can also give them a shadow color if you want. You can also create a box for that. Okay, and if in hover you can change the hover color. For example, you want to give them any other hover color. For example, I give them a green. So when my cursor is on F, it will be in green. So this is called the hover effect. Okay, so how it's work, how it's look like, and when you go in styles, you can give them in width or height or line element, or you can also change the icon size like that. You can give them margin or padding. You can change their positions, like if you want to display in inline block or some block, or you want to give them any decoration or something like that. You can give them a border is radius also, and when you go in advance, you can do some other changes. Okay, like motion effects, background, border, mask, font save, and much more things. So let's update and have a look. It's updated now, so look, have a look how it's look now. Scroll down where you place, so you can see now it's work like that. Okay, so it's working, it's properly working. So if you want to place in another place, you can, wherever you want to place it, you can place. For example, if you want to place in here, like this place, you can place, just click on that section and just write here social share, just drag on that. Okay, you will see it's look. Okay, and you can add item according to your choice. So I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and questions, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.